How to put a stop loss on TradingView. Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set a stop loss using TradingView, a popular platform for charting and trading. Managing risk is crucial in trading, and setting up a stop loss ensures you can limit potential losses automatically. Let's dive in. After logging into TradingView, go to your chart and open the trading panel. At the bottom of the screen, ensure you're connected to your broker's account, as TradingView allows integrations with several brokers. Right-click on the chart where you want to place your trade. Select trade and then choose either buy or sell depending on your position. In the order dialog that appears, you'll see fields for both stop loss and take profit. Enter the price at which you want to set your stop loss, and this price should be below your entry point if you're buying and above if you're selling. Before executing, double-click your stop loss level to ensure it aligns with your risk management strategy. Once everything looks good, hit buy or sell to place your order with the stop loss in place. And that's it, you've successfully set a stop loss in TradingView. This feature is a great way to protect your trades from unexpected market moves. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips. Happy trading and thanks for watching.